shoot some video while we drive up.
Anybody staying up there this weekend, the fire tender, or any rentals, or is it cleared out?
Ron was up there. They had a 2-month blackout period this time. They're going to be building a new toilet here pretty quick.
Oh, nice. Well, that toilet's got the best view in northwest Montana.
Smoke over the mountains over there.
Yeah, Ron's up here today.
Yep.
Oh, nice. Is that Ron? Is it Lavelle? Is his last name? Something like that?
Yeah, something like that.
Ah, good deal. Just turning right up Werner Peak.
We're here. We're going to get up and get this antenna down.
Before the wind blows too hard.
Here in about 8 miles.
Today's September 5th, 2020. This is the crown of the continent.
Grab your Ritsu.
Yep.
Let's check see what the antenna's doing now.
Okay.
Let me know how it works when you get home. WR7DW. Coming down the hill, Werner Peak, 26. Anyone copy?
Whiskey Alpha 8, November Papa Alpha, portable.
Hey, how you doing? Yeah, we're leaving the repeater site.
Yeah, you coming into the full plane.
That Motorola sounds nice, though. That's a really nice sounding radio.
Yeah, Don didn't wash his window, so we got a lot of bugs to shoot video through.
That's probably the last I'll see of Don's truck here for a while.
Yeah, I know. I need to get me a one like Don's Baja 500 here.
I might need to buy one of those too. It's impressive.
got so many bugs on the window now, it causes my camera to go out of focus.
I can wash it.
I don't think it'll clean off. Somebody else on 5.2 earlier. Was there another station in there? N7LT and WR7DW mobile from Werner Peak. Can't get the hook. You gonna go back the other way across the saddle there, Jim?
Left here, this will take you back in right before you're it'll take you back over that saddle. So I'll follow you down and then I'll shoot left and head back down the canyon.
Okay, I was thinking maybe we do a Jeep run. It'd be kind of fun to come the other direction. What's that, from the North Fork you said? We could come up that way and then get up to Warner and show Wendy Warner.
Oh yeah, it's a good ride. I'd probably get lost. I'd have to look. I think I can get back up there. I've come down it a few times. And I've actually come up the other way. I want to say in the fall here, they'll close that gate so you won't be able to get through. They'll close the gate right at the top of the saddle there so you won't be able to get through.
Well, that's silly. Why do they do that?
Yeah, I have no idea. I don't know if it's something to do with just kind of wildlife refuge or it might be something to do with the grizzly bears just kind of giving them some space. But yeah, they seem to close that down, then you can't get through there. There's a little, that whole little area is closed off to motorized traffic.
Oh, so you can't get to anywhere on the other side. Holy smokes, there's a bunch of cars up here.
Oh yeah, I just seen somebody bend over here looking at picking hucks.
Watch out for the bears. They're around.
Oh. Yep, they're picking hucks. At least it looks like it. I don't see any.
That's probably the most people I've seen up here.
Yeah, it looks like a whole family of them.
Yeah, good for them. Get out and enjoy the nature.
Yeah, they're local, so that's what counts.
Yes, sir. Yeah. It's the guys in those little rental things that drive me nuts come tearing up here, you know, and they just have no respect for anything. And it won't be long. They'll be cracking down on everyone, I think.
Yep, I think they'll just shut down all the roads, unfortunately.
Oh yeah, that's what they did in California. All the guys up there, and then they what they do is somebody gets mad, and then they get the environmental guys involved, and like the dust like this, and then they'll tell you that the dust is settling in the trees and washes into the river, and the next thing it's an environmental closure and it never opens again.
I hadn't heard of that one, but I've heard a lot of similar type stuff. They used to do that big time around here in the 70s. That's where most of those closed gates you see are from back in the 70s.
Oh yeah, that's the California. That's how they slip that one through. And what they do is they legally can't close the trail, but what they'll do is they'll do trail closed until environmental study is completed. And they have no money to ever do an environmental study, so the trail's closed pretty much indefinitely.